All right, gang, welcome back to the channel, VXM by All Extreme Machines. We are giving away a t-shirt. It's giveaway time. We promised you guys that at 500 subscribers, we'd give away a t-shirt to somebody randomly, and we blew right by that. We went to one event, and Turbo John helped us out with showing us on his channel, and we blew right by that. So we're making a video, we're trying to catch up. Today is Monday the 12th, okay? By the time you see this video, it's probably gonna be 11 o'clock at night. We're gonna give you till next Sunday at 12 o'clock. So Sunday the 18th, July 18th, 2021. Anybody that hits the like button and in the comments, you need to put t-shirt or whatever you want, but put t-shirt. Okay, leave a comment. Anybody that leaves a comment is gonna get entered to win a t-shirt.
Put everybody's name in a hat and do a random draw.
Yep.
So.
All right, so we want to thank you all for subscribing. We want to thank you all for the support you've been giving us. I'm hoping that you guys are liking the videos that we're putting out. We got a lot more stuff to do. We got some more street rod stuff going on, some more builds going on. Definitely more racing coming. So we want to thank the people that have been supporting us on the channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for all the help with different things. You guys that call me on the phone, no problem. Anytime you need anything, let us know. If you want to buy a t-shirt or you want to buy a hat or something, hoodies, 914-490-4306. All right, you could just call us directly and we'll hook you up with something. In the meantime, we're working on a website so that you can order online and you can do all that stuff online. But in the meantime, you can just give us a call. All right, so shout out to all our sponsors and our partners that are helping us out, body shop guys, and I mean all kinds of stuff. Okay, we got a lot of people that are on the channel supporting us and helping us, and we're going to put all their names on stuff. Eventually we're going to have them come on board with us and they can make a video or something also. But we want to thank you all for helping us out. Yep. So VXM by All Extreme Machines, next Sunday 12 o'clock Sunday night, we'll be giving a t-shirt away. All right? Have a great day, and thank you so much for subscribing.